Naveen, why are you carrying the heavy thing around? Just buy this. Pim, phone is magic.
Okay, hello guys, this is the phone. So I want to show you about the functions that we can use in these phones. So this is the projector for the phone. So as we can know, this is the screen. So whatever have in these screens can be pointed out by this projector. So it can be large and we can see more better. Alright. So this is the LED projector for keyboard. So I will show you after this. But now I want to tell you more about the USB port. So as you can know, USB port has many functions. So such as this. Okay, we can use this as the USB port. So whatever in your pen drive, you can use it for your you can put it into your phones. So this is the functions for USB port. Okay, now I will show you about the LED keyboard. Okay, this is the keyboard, as you can know.
Hello, my name is Nazruddin. Now I will show you about the material. The screen is made from the Gorilla Glass, which is unscratchable glass. I'll show you the meaning. See, it's unscratchable. Next, I will tell you about the body of the PIM. It is made from aluminium, which is harder than, I think, other phones. I think this is the first phone that is made from aluminium. And then there's the two light bulbs that will be used to project the LED holographic keyboard. And then we have the projector, as you can see here. The projector is made from, I think, ceramic, which is used in other projector that use in classes as well. And yeah, that's it.
Okay, the PIM have many choices of colors that may suitable with your favorite colors, such as wave blue like this one, or pink, red, yellow, black, or white. Okay, for the dimension of this PIM is most likely an iPhone 5, or you can get it in shape like as Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Okay, I will pass it to my friend to tell more about the functions.
Guys, today I want to show you about the part of the PIM. Okay, this is the screen part. Okay, and this two of this is your rotating platform part. It's used for you to stand your phone. Okay, this is the bulb part. Okay, and lastly is the projector part. This is the bulb for projector. Okay, when you use your rotating platform, it will be like this. You will stand your phone. Okay, and the projector will point you a view to enlarge your view from the screen. Okay, this pack consists of the battery of this phone and the chips for the phone, the SIM card. Okay, the battery can use for 8 hours when you play music at the same time. Okay, I will pass you to my friend to tell more about this phone.
Hello guys, today I want to speak about the dimension of this PIM. As you can see, the length of this PIM is about 5 cm and the width of this phone is about 3 cm and the length of the PIM is about 10 cm. So it can easily put on your pocket.
Okay, PIM costs us around 2,500 ringgit. If you are interested in buying our product, please contact us at or email us at. Okay, thank you.